Okay, the next topic is how we achieve freefall motion in Unity. Yeah, this is the easiest to achieve so far on Unity. Yeah, you can just simply turn on the use gravity property. Yeah, so where is my car? Yeah, you can double click here if you cannot see your car anywhere. Oh, it is there. Yeah, but if you cannot see, you can simply double click on your desired game object. Yeah, and then the Unity editor will focus on the scene window. Yeah. Okay, so let's say that we want our car to just fall. Then simply click the use gravity property. Yeah, activate it. Then play it. Yeah, that's all for the free fall motion. Yeah, so it is very simply, and I promise you, will be a very short video. Yeah, indeed. Yeah, so for the next one, let's combine KLPP with freefall motion to introduce the projectile motion.